first of all, just open your Windows search icon and then type in settings. And then I'm using Windows 11, but in your case, if you're using Windows 10, it works completely the same. It just looks maybe a bit different. Then click on Apps on the section here, and then click on Apps and Features, Installed Apps, App Execution. Click on this, and then a list should show up with all your apps that are currently installed on your computer. And then just search app and type in Forza. And then Forza Horizon 5 should show up here. And then just click on these three dots on the right-hand side and click on Advanced Options. And then a window looking something like this should open. And here, first of all, I would suggest you to scroll down until you see the reset section here. And first of all, try repairing it. And then try restarting it again. And if this didn't work, then click on or try resetting it. If you're playing offline all the time, then I wouldn't do that, because maybe it deletes the data of your app. But if you're playing online and you're logging every time in when you play it, then this shouldn't be an issue. Just click on reset and then try restarting it again, and that's already it. There's really nothing more to it. You can also try running it as administrator, so just right-click on your desktop shortcut and click on Run as Administrator on Forza Horizon 5. That's already it. Really hope this helped you guys. If you've got any questions left, just leave them in the comment section below. Then I'll write you back as soon as possible, and we will surely find a solution. But that's it. Thanks so much for watching. I wish you a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye.